Good afternoon, student. Today we see next example. Example number 4. Exercise 1.1. Given table. See over here. X has value 2, 4, 6. F of x, that is f of 2 equal to 1, f of 4 equal to 3, f of 6 equal to 5. Similarly, g of 2, 6, g of 4, 4, g of 6, 2, and f dash 2 equal to minus 3, f dash 4 equal to 5, and so on. Student, example number first. If r of x equal to f of g of x, find r dash of 2, r dash of 2. See, we have to find r dash of 2. R dash is composite function of f and g. Given r of x equal to f of g of x, therefore differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, r dash x equal to f dash g of x into g dash x. We have to find r dash 2, that is r dash 2 equal to f dash g of 2 into g dash 2. Here we use chain rule. Now see over here, note this step, that is g of 2 equal to g of 2, that is g of 2 equal to 6. F dash as it is, g of 2 equal to 6, and g dash of 2 from table, g dash of 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, from table, from given table, f dash 6 equal to minus 4, therefore r dash 2 equal to minus 16. R dash 2 equal to minus 16 is the answer of question number first. See and write in your notebook, that is example number 4. Example number 4, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. I repeat again. X has values 2, 4, 2. पहिल्यांदा टेबल रीड करायला कळलं पाहिजे. टेबलच्या व्हॅल्यू काय काय दिले ते गिवन, काय गिवन आहे ते पाहिलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे एफ ऑफ 1 दिलाय, एफ ऑफ 2 दिलाय 1, एफ ऑफ 4 दिलाय 6. Similarly, g dash of 2 दिलाय 4, g dash of 4 दिलाय minus 6, g dash of 6 दिलाय 7. त्या व्हॅल्यू घेऊन आपण दिलेलं एक्झाम्पल सोडवू शकतो. नाव एक्झाम्पल नंबर सेकंड. Example number Second, if r of x equal to r of x equal to g bracket 3 plus f of x, 3 bracket f of x, find r dash of 4. Find r dash of 4. Example number 3. If s of x equal to f of 9 minus f of 9 minus f of x, find s dash of 4. S dash of 4. Question number 4. If s of x equal to g of x, g of x, find s dash 6. Find s dash 6. Find s dash 6. 34 equal to 20, 28. Answer. Answer. See over here, student, given r of x equal to, last two example for homework. Example number 2, r of x equal to g bracket 3 plus f of x, r dash x equal to g dash 3 plus f of x into f dash x. Chain rule. See over here. We have to find r dash 4, that is d dash 3 plus f of 4 into f dash 4. F dash 4. That is equal to g dash 3 plus 3 plus, what is f of 4? F of 4 equal to 3 into what is f dash 4? F dash 4 equal to 5. That is equal to g dash 6 into 5 equal to into 5. G dash 6 equal to 7. 7. R dash 4. R dash 4 equal to 35, 20, 28. That is equal to 35. Answer. 35. Answer. C. Example number 2. If R of x equal to g of 3 plus f of x given 3 plus f of x given. Now differentiating with respect to x, r dash x equal to g of f of x चा फॉर्म्युला वापरला आपण. X is different from here, that is g dash f of x into derivative of f of x. 3 चा derivative 0, therefore f dash x. Note this step. Then we have to find r dash 5, r dash 5, r dash 4, r dash 4, that x is replaced by 4, 3 plus f of 4 into f dash 4. From table, f of 4 equal to 3, 3 as it is, 3 as it is. 3 plus 3, that is g dash 6 into f dash 4 equal to 5. G dash 6 equal to 7, that is equal to 35. That is equal to 35. Similarly, you can solve example number 3 and 4 for homework. Now, example number 5. Example number 5. Given f dash 3 equal to -1, g dash 2 equal to 5, g of 2 equal to 3, g of 2 equal to 3, and y equal to f of g of x. Then dy by dx at x equal to 2 is equal to dash dash dash. See and write in your notebook, that is given f dash 3 equal to -1, g dash 2 equal to 5, g of 2 equal to 3, then find, that is y equal to f of g of x given. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to f dash g of x into g dash x by using chain rule, that is dy by dx at x equal to 2, at x equal to 2, f dash g of 2 into g dash 2, that is equal to f dash into g of 2 equal to 3, g dash 2 equal to 5, that is equal to f dash 3 equal to -1 into 5, that is equal to -5. dy by dx x equal to 2. X equal to 2 is equal to -5. Is equal to -5. See and write in your notebook. That is f dash 3 equal to -1, g dash 2 equal to 5 given. Differentiating with respect to x. See and write in your notebook. That is question number